Friends, are your bones getting weaker day by day? Do you feel joint pain or stiffness in your body? If yes, then you are not alone. These problems are becoming increasingly common in today's world. Studies suggest that over 60 million people in India suffer from osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones. Shockingly, 80% of these cases are women. What's even more concerning is that osteoporosis starts 10 to 20 years earlier in Indians compared to people in Western countries. For example, if the average onset age of osteoporosis in the US is 50 years, in India, it can begin as early as 40 years. In today's video, I will share 5 major reasons why your bones are getting weaker over time. Understanding these reasons is crucial because only by knowing them can you prevent bone-related problems in the future. People often make common mistakes unknowingly, which lead to bone issues. So, make sure to watch this video till the end, as I will also share natural remedies that are more effective than calcium supplements. 1. Relying only on calcium supplements is not enough. When it comes to bone health, most people immediately think of calcium and start taking calcium tablets. However, this is not the complete solution. Simply taking calcium supplements does not make your bone strong unless your body absorbs it properly. Often, the calcium from supplements is not fully absorbed and may even get deposited in the wrong places, like arteries. This can negatively affect your health. The solution? Include bioactive calcium-rich foods in your diet. Natural sources of calcium are better absorbed and do not increase the risk of calcification in other organs. White heavy checkmark best calcium-rich foods. Leafy green vegetables, spinach, turnip, broccoli. Sesame seeds, chia seeds, almonds. Other seeds like flax seeds and pumpkin seeds. These foods are rich in magnesium, vitamin K, and phosphorus, which help calcium reach your bones effectively. So, instead of depending only on calcium tablets, make sure to include these natural foods in your daily diet. 2. Lack of vitamin K2 and collagen. Most people focus only on calcium but ignore vitamin K2 and collagen, which are equally important for bone health. Lightbulb: why is vitamin K2 important? Vitamin K2 ensures that calcium reaches your bones instead of accumulating in arteries, liver, or kidneys. Without enough K2, calcium can get deposited in the wrong places, increasing health risks. Lightbulb: why is collagen important? Collagen is the main protein in bones. It keeps them flexible and strong. A lack of collagen can make bones fragile and prone to fractures. White heavy checkmark best sources of vitamin K2 and collagen. Chicken, egg yolks, and organ meats, liver. Bone broth, fish, and dairy products. For vegetarians, oranges, berries, and garlic boost collagen production. By adding these foods to your diet, you can naturally strengthen your bones. 3. Magnesium deficiency. Most people don't realize that magnesium is essential for bone health. Without enough magnesium, your body cannot absorb calcium properly, no matter how much calcium-rich food you eat. White heavy checkmark best magnesium-rich foods. Leafy greens, spinach, kale. Nuts, almonds, cashews, walnuts. Seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds. Lentils and whole grains. Making small dietary changes, like adding a handful of nuts and seeds daily, can prevent magnesium deficiency and keep your bones strong. 4. Lack of sunlight exposure, vitamin D deficiency. Did you know that your body cannot absorb calcium without vitamin D? Your body produces vitamin D naturally when exposed to sunlight. However, due to modern lifestyles, people spend too much time indoors, use too much sunscreen, or live in highly polluted areas, leading to vitamin D deficiency. Bright button: how to get enough vitamin D? Expose yourself to morning sunlight for at least 15 to 20 minutes daily. Avoid excessive sunscreen during short outdoor activities. If you don't get enough sunlight, your bones become weak, increasing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. 5. Lack of physical activity. Bones need stress and pressure to stay strong. If you lead a sedentary lifestyle, your bones become weak and brittle over time. White heavy checkmark best exercises for bone health. Walking, running, and jogging. Weight training and strength exercises. Yoga improves flexibility and bone density. Even 30 minutes of daily exercise can help stimulate bone growth and prevent osteoporosis in the long run. Final thoughts. To maintain strong bones, calcium supplements alone are not enough. You need to heavy checkmark eat bioavailable calcium-rich foods. Heavy checkmark include vitamin K2 and collagen in your diet. Heavy checkmark ensure adequate magnesium intake. Heavy checkmark get enough sunlight for vitamin D. Heavy checkmark stay physically active. By making these simple changes, you can naturally strengthen your bones, prevent osteoporosis, and stay active even in old age. Backhand index pointing right. Did you know that milk is not the only good source of calcium? There are many other foods that are even better. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comments below. Stay happy, stay healthy, and keep learning something new every day. Smiling face with smiling eyes.